I think it's stupid.
It is stupid, isn't it? Oh, Lucifer, how much I've missed you. Let's go ahead and get this started up. We have to move the Camry though. Let this warm up for a minute. I'm so excited. It's been a hot minute. Oh. Dang, I love this car, man. For you guys out there that have, you know, Mustang or any other kind of, not necessarily project car, just car that you're kind of bored with, don't drive it for a solid week and a half. Hop in it on a nice day. You'll appreciate every minute of it. I mean, come on, guys. It's a solid 69 degrees out. Now, that sounds like a good time. So I'm actually pulling up to the wash now. Guys, I just wanted to go ahead and take a quick second and inform you guys on something pretty cool that my channel now allows me to do. So for those OG subscribers or even subscribers that have been with me for some time now, actually a new way to go ahead and show your support for the channel, and it's not mandatory or anything. With this new way, it allows you to join the channel for exclusive things and extra perks. For example, if you join with our first tier, you're gonna get custom badges aside your name when you comment on videos or even in live streams, and you're also gonna get monthly custom wallpapers for your phone, computer, what have you. Now, if you join with the second tier, you're gonna get what I just mentioned and then some. Some examples are a shout out in every single video, membership only live streams, and custom posts. So if you are interested in checking out the memberships I am providing, for one, I greatly appreciate you guys, and for those that are gonna go ahead and help me out some more, actually head to the link in the description. That'll take you right to it. If you go to my channel, right beside the subscribe button, there's gonna be a button that says join, and then you're gonna have your options there. And again, for those of you that are gonna take that extra step, I truly appreciate you. And you know, at the end of the day, I can't thank you guys enough for the support you've already shown me. But for those of you that take this extra step, I'm gonna hook you guys up. What the fuck? Yo, y'all see that? Goddamn bolt pulling a trailer. I'd be fucking damn, never seen that before in my goddamn wrecking life. Holy. When's mine getting done? All right, cool deal. Let me park it. We can get to work on it. You know, he's starting to worry me because I've seen him put more work in on this V6 than his own car. Hey, Joel.
Whip your ass in.
Unreal, man. Well, good day, sir. Good day. Fuck! What the hell are you doing, man?
Playing GTA, bro.
Playing GTA?
Yeah, this is typical Rockstar. Oh, bro, you're gonna miss my alien
No,
outfit.
you're not. Get the fuck up. We got work to do. We'll go ahead and show you the lineup right quick. So we do have Tommy's Roush Charged S550 right there in that beautiful comp orange. Then we got Banana Boat right here. Dude, it looks sweet. You're still
Good girl. Good girl.
got Lucifer right here. Looking great. Project 6 stain. Pam's car looking better than ever. Then we got Big Daddy Joel's car in here. He's about to go give it a little detail. Let's just say, you know, VMP does come through and we get a blower put on. Like, are we dogging it out or what?
We will run it.
We're gonna run it?
We'll run it.
Whipple versus VMP?
Yes, we'll do it. He's younger and a better driver. I rely on the car pushing me.
What you guys might have not have known about Joel is he is a straight pimp daddy. Check it out. Got the 210s.
Actually, they're 11s.
How much money do you have into your sound system?
Well, I could have bought another
30K.
Whipple and a half.
Oh, so you're saying 15K?
All right.
But I do have a little gift here from Anchor Room. For those of you that know, Anchor Room were the ones that hooked it up. The headlight tint, and if you come to the back here, we have some tail light tints. You know, I was kind of forced to go ahead and run the Roush fogs, and as you can see, they're not tinted. And that's what I plan on doing today. But we're gonna go ahead and apply these on, see how they look, and hopefully not screw it up.
Why is there a spider web coming off your head?
What? Get it. Get it, dog. What are you doing?
It's everywhere.
Why won't you get it for me? Where is it? Oh, there's a spider right on your head, but let me not swing it out of the way. Because everybody on the forums is like, yeah, it takes the Terminator, or they're the same fog lights as the Terminator. Well, guys, I kind of messed up. As you guys can probably tell, the fog lights aren't tinted, and that's my bad. Anchor Room, I do apologize. I was informed that these Roush fog lights were actually the same as a Terminator Cobra. For the longest time, I was thinking that, so when I ordered the tint from them, I told them I needed tint for a Terminator Cobra fog lights, because it's the same thing. Well, we went ahead and tried to install it, and it didn't fit. So I do want to say, Anchor Room, I am sorry, but thank you so much for, you know, hopping on board, sending me that over. Guys, still check out Anchor Room. They have great product, but yeah, I'm an idiot.
No, I almost had a bird on the way here. Like a turkey. And it looked like a turkey. It was sitting on the median, and then it flew out right in front of me, but luckily there's no cars, so I just
A turkey?
hit the brakes.
A turkey in the suburbs.
It looked like a turkey. I said I didn't say it was a turkey.
You look like a turkey. Chicken.
It's a little shy chicken. They didn't want to get too loud.
I can't deal with her. Bro, you got this because Brandon waxed that ass?
I know, man. Oh no, man. I couldn't take it. I couldn't deal with it no
Dude,
more.
that's right, bitch. Have you ever seen a right-hand drive car before?
Yeah.
When?
This guy I went to college with. Don't take that the wrong way.
What the f?
No, I just saw the car.
Why are you saying it like that? Yeah, the guy I went to college with. It was really gay.
It was pretty gay.
Like gay on me or gay for Gabriel?
Gay on you.
That's good. That's what I wanted. Don't ever fucking do that again.
Fucking racers, man. What are we doing today? What's the plan? Look, my car's clean for once. I got some nice tire shine. Still bugs in the car for some fucking reason.
Hey. Do have a slight modification which makes a huge difference. You might be looking at the car right now and wondering what that might be, but yeah, go ahead. Okay, Brandon just ruined the fucking surprise. He's so annoying. But today, guys, we are gonna be installing some Ford Performance hood struts. And it's pretty sad because, you know, Ford makes all this money each year and makes some pretty badass Mustangs, but they can't even equip them with some hood struts. And this is like an aftermarket thing you must do. You can see I have the hood prop here, pretty garbage. So we're gonna go ahead and get these installed today, guys. I figured I'd make up this video because I'm an idiot and messed up the first part of it. Pretty excited for this, I must admit. Yo, back the fuck up before I beat you with these first.
You can get that Project Fox merch, man. And you got this carbon pop socket, dog. Here's your phone, though. I'm going back to hell.
I'm going back to hell. So have you done any of these before? Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5. 6. Why do you have 6 hood props?
Because everybody comes here to do them.
A huge shout out goes out to Jesse Hampton for hooking me up with these Ford Performance hood struts. Very excited to get these installed because it does make the car just look better overall, especially when you're showing your engine bay. And we don't have anything to show off quite yet, but trust me, guys, we will very soon. So Jesse and his son actually have a YouTube channel as well, guys. They do some project builds and stuff together, so go check them out. It's gonna be Russellville Speed 479, and make sure you guys go subscribe to the channel. And thank you again, Jesse, for the hood struts. All right, Joel, Ford Performance, Mustang struts, hood struts, those things.
Yep.
All right, so first, shut the fuck up. Yo, chill. We are gonna have to unhook each side of the hood one at a time. Lay the plate down. Obviously, it's just gonna go right up into this. And it's pretty cool though, we don't have to take the hood off, which would be a pain in the butt. So what are your thoughts on Ford not installing these right out of the factory? It's pretty...
I think it's stupid.
It is stupid,
like
isn't it?
You know those things don't cost that much, and everybody puts these on. Maybe that's why they don't do it.
I bet you they do have like a little business
You know,
going on the
something
side.
with it, because, you know, you think about it. These are 80, 90, some of them $120 a pop. I guess there is some sense behind it, but I still think they should go ahead and put these on automatically.
Even Brandon's year, I thought they came on starting in 2015, but they don't even come on in 2015. What, dude? And I'm telling you right now, if he does it again, I'm kicking him off the chair.
That's fine.
All right?
I might help
Hey,
you.
don't be planning my murder over there. Snap you with my pumpkin.
Just gonna put the bolt right back in, tighten it back up, and then we're gonna get those 2 little bolts right there that hold the hood down. And we have that other bracket, which is over here. And you wanna go ahead and make sure you grab the right one. This one is gonna be labeled driver, so this is the one we want. So you wanna separate the 2. It is gonna be not difficult, but definitely stuck because these were all painted on top. So Joel just slid it on that bolt, as you can see. There's no need to take it out, and he's just fishing in his pocket for the next one. Don't you move a fucking muscle.
I can't wait to see the surprise that's coming.
Yeah, I can't wait to see how many trains I put on you with that surprise.
It's gonna be a big ass train. Nothing I'm doing to my car is going to help me now.
Are you kind of upset about that?
Yes. Now I'm gonna need a whole other car. I'm gonna need to borrow Dad's car to keep up.
And I really like these hood struts because they actually say Ford Performance.
Oh, it's in there now.
And bada bing bada.
That is one side.
There we go, Ford Performance. All right, so both of them are installed, guys. Take a look. Looks so much better already, and we can come to this side. Got the beautiful Ford Performance logo showing on the side. But all right, go ahead and let go. Should be all straight.
At least they work.
Do a little test before we slam it.
No, we've got to lift it back up and watch it go flying.
Hold on.
And you lift.
Watch, move. Just make sure clearance is good. Now we can shut it fully.
Go up, watch it go all the way up and watch it fly.
Hold this. All right, we're gonna shut it. Now let's check the lines.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It might be, it might be this. It might be the little rubber piece. Want me to stop recording?